cooking something that is done in every single Brazilian household. So if you go to a Brazilian household, when you're going to have a meal, so we all eat a lot of rice, that's what I'm going to be teaching you how to cook. So it's delicious, it's completely different than any other nation that cooks rice. And if you've been to a Brazilian house, you will know what I mean and how it's delicious. So for every cup of rice, you need to have 2 cups of water. So 1 measurement of rice, 2 of water, always to cook it. The water needs to be boiling, so I put already in my kettle. So what I'm doing is I'm doing 1 cup of rice and I have 2 cups of water prepared. Alright, so to get started, I'll turn on my hob, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little dash of oil. Could be any oil, vegetable oil. A lot of people cook with olive oil. I don't like the taste in the rice, so put a little bit of oil. And then what I have, this is a Brazilian also spice, so it's a mix of garlic and onion. So I brought this from Brazil, and I'll put a little spoon like this to start frying. And I love it. And I'm also being lazy. I put a little bit of extra garlic. I have chopped garlic here from M&S. So I'll put also a little bit of down here, because I like very garlicky. So, what we do as well, you need to get your 1 cup of rice and wash it. I have a sieve, so I put the 1 cup of rice on the sieve, put it under the running water, and just wash the rice. So that water, you know, you're gonna see when the water starts going clear. So here, we're just gonna wait until it starts frying and popping. Once this gets started, also what I have here is this Brazilian, also this is actually MSG, so we use it a lot in Brazil. So this one is specifically for rice, so they have for vegetables, all different sorts. They're all the same. Some of them add color to the rice as well, that is pretty cool. And you can add anything to the rice. So you can add shredded carrots, chopped carrots, peas, anything you want. So let's wait until this gets started. And then we're gonna put the rice in. So once we put the rice in, we're gonna fry the rice just a little bit here together with this mix, so it starts to get, you know, the taste from this. So let me go and grab the rice. Come and take a look in there. So I've got the rice here on my sieve. What I'm gonna do, I'll put it here. And then I'm just going to mix it and fry the rice a little bit. So rice is very simple. So what we need to do now, once it fries a little bit more, be careful so you don't burn it obviously, and then we add the water. And we cover it and we let it boil. So I put it in a medium heat and I let it boil. And for me to be able to know when the rice is ready, you need to look at the bottom of with the spoon or with the fork, you look at the bottom of the pan, and if there's no water, the rice is ready. You take off the hob and then you wait until it cools down a little bit and it dries down a little bit. So I'm gonna add my little salt. So this gives a taste to the rice. Some people want to add salt if you want as well. I'm not gonna add any, because this is all good. So fry the rice a little bit more. Get it coated. This is tasting delicious. So I'm gonna get my kettle with the 2 cups of boiling water. put it here, just make sure that the water covers the whole rice. Give it a little bit of a stir. Turn it to medium. Then you pop the lid on. So usually it's about 20 minutes, I would say, depending on your hob, how strong it is, and if you're cooking with fire, obviously it's a little bit quicker as well. So keep an eye, because it will burn. As soon as the water evaporates, the rice is ready and we're good to go. So we're gonna cook and I'll come back to you once the rice is ready. See you soon. So everyone, it's been already 10 minutes that I've been cooking the rice. So let's check it out. Let me show you what I mean. So there's no water there in the bottom, so that means that the rice is ready. And what I do as well usually, I try a little bit. Yeah, it's ready. Take it out of the hob. Take the lid away and the rice is ready. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope if you like it as well, leave it a comment on here for me. Let me know if you cooked it. And I'll see you soon. Bye.